right. Other things that we have, I do want to bring on a guest that I really like, and I've done some business with these guys before, and they are a home builder and they build, listen to this, 3D homes. You got it, 3D homes. Now, I don't know of anybody else that has financed a 3D home yet. Now, they started off building tiny homes. Now they build regular homes, but they're all 3D. They're energy efficient and they are hurricane resistant. I mean, like impact windows, they are jam up and they are affordable. You're not going to want to miss this. This is going to be in the next segment. So, in the meantime, and later on in the show, I want to cover hurricane season and how to avoid issues if you are getting a mortgage and you don't have your insurance bound, because hurricane season can be a major problem. So I don't think the Fed's going to drop the Fed rate this month. I think they're going to do it September. Okay. That's what's going to happen. Let's wait and see what happens September. Right now, buyers are in control. Buyers can make great offers. Buyers can, I mean, it's all about you right now. The only thing that's getting in your way of you buying is yourself. I've got I've got all kinds of first-time homebuyer programs. I've got zero down payment programs. I've got 100% financing for veterans. I've got 100% financing USDA. I have 3.5% down FHA. I have 3% down conventional loans. I've got, I mean, literally what you need, I have it. And I've got products that you probably haven't even heard of. My name's Bruce Woodburn. They call me the Lone Ranger. I'm applying for the job to help you. Check me out on Google reviews. Check me up on Yelp reviews. Check me out on any kind of review out there. And you're going to find that I'm 4.9 and 5 stars. Why? I'm going to tell you why. First of all, I do what I say I'm going to do. I don't lie. I don't cheat. I don't mislead. I say it the way I see it. Sometimes that might not work well with some of you. Some of you like to be stroked a little bit and told you're doing great when you're really not doing all that great. Others like it, the fact that I'm honest with you and I'm there to help you. I tell you, I love helping y'all's adult kids grow. You got 20-year-olds, you should get them in my classes, my home buyer classes. You should get them in my workshops. I will tell you, I love helping young people grow wealth. You don't have to have a job that makes you hundreds of thousands of dollars to become rich. You know how you become rich? Buying real estate. Start when you're in your 20s. Do you know that if you buy homes and start when you're in your 20s, you have a 70% greater chance on retiring as a millionaire? As a matter of fact, if you follow my leapfrog process, I will promise you, if you follow the process and you do not deviate from it, I will show you how to have $4 to $5 million in free and clear properties, making you $25,000 to $30,000 a month in income into retirement. Now, this is a get rich slow program. This is not a get rich fast. It's a 20-year process, but it's guaranteed. You know what's not guaranteed? All of the shiny objects that you go to. That's not guaranteed. You know what else is guaranteed? It's guaranteed that if you need a real estate agent, most of you are not picking good agents. I'm telling you right now. I want you to know about the Lone Ranger Real Estate Rebate Program. The Lone Ranger Real Estate Rebate Program is a program that I designed not for me, but for you. So I help match you with the best real estate agent in the area that you want to buy or sell in. I hand pick personally each agent that has been personally vetted by me. These are top tier agents, not just friendly faces. I know how well they negotiate. I know how they communicate, and I know that they advocate for the client. When you work with one of my preferred agents, they will rebate you up to 25% of their commission back to you, up to $10,000. Now, they don't pay me one red cent, not a dime. This program is designed to benefit you, not me. Now, do I benefit? Yes, because when you're working with a good real estate agent, it makes my job easier. So I do benefit. Why did I create it? Because too many buyers and sellers choose an agent that they like, not one who fights for them. I've seen tens of thousands maybe hundreds of thousands of dollars left on the table, and I have to shut my mouth because you guys picked the wrong real estate agent. Somebody that maybe you went to a yard sign. Worst of all, you picked them on a Zillow and they called you back. That's horrible. They're paying for the lead. It's terrible. Don't do it. Do not do it. I'm telling you right now, this is an opportunity for you to get money back in your pocket with a hand-picked real estate agent, money back in your pocket. They don't pay me anything. You can use this money to offset your closing costs and prepaids. Now, I connect you with a real estate agent, and if we need them to negotiate closing costs for you, they negotiate closing costs in addition to the rebate. What do you got to lose? You got to lose picking a bad real estate agent and finding out later that you can't even fire them because you signed a buyer broker agreement, which is another hot topic for me. Don't sign these agreements that if they don't perform, you have to keep using them. You should have an escape clause, a 0 days escape clause. If you don't like them, you can fire them. Same with me. You don't like my mortgage. You don't like the way I treat you. You don't like the terms I offer you. Fire me. You owe me nothing. You owe me not one red cent. You don't even have to reimburse me for the credit report I pulled. Fire me. I don't deserve to get paid if I'm not exceeding your expectations, nor should anyone else. Really, nor should anyone else. So call me 407-706-3313. Write that number down, folks. 407-706-3313. Or go to webringyouhome.com and get your application started. Now, I like taking applications in person or on Zoom or on the phone. I don't like the online application, but I know a lot of you millennials like to do the online application. So I got a really easy one. Take you 10, 15 minutes, complete the whole application. It even tells you what documents to download. But if you like the personalized service, to look me in the eye, the handshake, to understand the process, let's do an in-person or Zoom meeting. That's what I'm here to do. Call me from Tampa Bay, 813-213-4009. That's 813-213-4009. Or go to webringyouhome.com, webringyouhome.com. Now, listen, I promised you, when we get back, I want to bring to you a builder called Minneapolis. Minneapolis, they started off building tiny homes, but now they build all kinds of structures, even commercial. So I want to interview them. I want you to listen to what they do on these 3D energy efficient, hurricane proof homes. So I don't want you to go anywhere. Stay tuned. I'll be back in 5 minutes with more of the Lone Ranger Radio Show. 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009 or webringyouhome.com. Don't go anywhere. Webringyouhome.com. I'll be back in 5. Want to lose 20 to 30 pounds in the next 60 days? Call me. I'll connect you with my friends at Age Rejuvenation, and you will get the first visit free. I'm telling you, this stuff works better than anything I've tried. 813-213-4009 or 407-706-3313. Call me, the Lone Ranger, and I'll get you connected so you can lose that chubby little belly you've been carrying around.